In northwestern Canada, at the end of the railroad, U.S. and Canadian engineers are rushing trucks, supplies, and road building equipment for the new Alcan Highway, pushing across the frozen Peace River before the river thaws. Here, from a tent city in the heart of the wilderness, the Army wages a war against nature and the elements. In 30 below zero temperature, they're blazing a trail for the construction of a 1,500-mile military highway from the United States to Alaska. Giant tractors crash through the forests of virgin timber, rolling ahead at a pace that will see the road open within a year. Highway to Alaska, for the nation that controls this strategic outpost holds the gateway to the world. In California, the speedboats race against a backdrop of oil wells. After working all day on their war jobs, daredevil amateurs find relaxation behind the wheels of their roaring little motors. Today, they breeze around the nautical course in a regatta for the championship.